BINI and SB19 magsasama at pararangalan sa Billboard Korea's Billboard K-Power 100. Good news for P-pop groups BINI and SB19, officially chosen by Billboard Philippines to be given a special award at the launch event of Billboard Korea, the Billboard K-Power 100. The Billboard K-Power 100 is an annual event recognizing the most influential figures in the global music industry and celebrating their contributions alongside artists. Matutunghayan natin na magsasama ang Kings of Pop SB19 and Nation's girl group BINI to personally attend on this event. The two P-pop icons will be awarded the Voices of Asia Award. Will honor their groundbreaking contributions to Filipino music and their unwavering championing of P-pop on the global stage. The Billboard Korea's Billboard K-Power 100 will be in Seoul on August 27, 2024 at Yongbin Gwan Hall of the Sheila Seoul. A big event, we can expect mga sikat na Korean artist ang makakasama ng BINI at SB19. So happy and proud for our P-pop groups BINI and SB19 being recognized for their contributions to Filipino music, promoting modern P-pop genre. Aabangan natin to mga blooms at 18. Let's give our support and cheer for BINI and SB19.